So I stumbled upon this course on using Claude Code for product managers, and it's got me really intrigued.
Wait, Claude Code. I mean, I know it's an AI tool, but how is it tailored specifically for product management?
Exactly. The course is designed to teach PMs how to leverage Claude Code as a thinking partner, not just an automation tool.
That's interesting. It's like they're suggesting AI can enhance your decision-making rather than just speeding up tasks.
Right? It's got modules on everything from basic setup to advanced scenarios like data analysis and writing PRDs.
PRDs, that's a biggie, but can AI really help with that? Isn't it a nuanced process?
Great point. The course emphasizes that it's about collaboration. You still need to guide the AI, right?
That makes sense. But I wonder, could it lead to over-reliance on AI for critical decisions?
Totally, there's a fine line between assistance and dependence. What if PMs start trusting the AI too much?
And what happens if the AI makes a mistake? That could have serious implications for a product.
Exactly, there's an element of risk here, but the course does include ways to mitigate those risks by guiding AI outputs.
I like that. It sounds like it balances the automation benefits with a human touch. How do they structure the learning?
The modules start simple, like setting up the software, and gradually move to complex workflows and strategies.
So it's a progressive learning curve. That's crucial for something as intricate as product management.
Absolutely, and each module has interactive lessons, which means they're hands-on. It keeps learners engaged.
Interactive sounds good, but what if someone struggles with the command line basics? Could that be a barrier?
That's a valid concern. They mention that basic familiarity is a prerequisite, but I wonder if they offer support for newcomers.
I hope they do. Otherwise, some PMs might feel lost and disengaged from the course.
Yeah, and that would defeat the purpose of making AI accessible. There's a lot of potential here, though.
For sure. And speaking of potential, do you think using AI could redefine roles within product teams?
Interesting thought, it might shift focus from routine tasks to more strategic thinking.
But what about the creativity aspect? Can AI really generate innovative ideas for products?
That's the million-dollar question. AI can assist, but the spark of creativity still comes from humans.
Exactly. It's synergy, right? AI enhancing human capabilities rather than replacing them.
Right, the course teaches using AI as a collaborator, partnering for better product outcomes.
And that's a refreshing approach. I wonder how PMs will adapt to this collaborative model.
That'll be fascinating to watch. The learning process might even change the culture within teams.
True, if PMs learn to communicate effectively with AI, they might also improve communication within teams.
And sharing that knowledge could lead to a more innovative mindset company-wide.
Exactly. And what about those specialized custom subagents they mentioned? How does that work?
They allow you to create tailored AI personas like a UX reviewer or executive for deeper insights.
That's so cool. It's like having multiple perspectives on demand. But I wonder how effective those insights really are.
Good point. It might depend on the quality of the input provided to those agents to generate useful feedback.
And it's a reminder that AI is only as good as the data it processes, right?
Absolutely, there's always that caveat. I'm curious to see how this evolves in practice.
Same here. It's exciting to think about how AI tools like Claude Code will shape the future of product management.
Definitely, it feels like we are on the brink of a new era in how products are managed and developed.
And that's such an important discussion to have as AI becomes more integrated into our work lives.
Absolutely. So, what do you think could be the biggest challenge for PMs adopting this technology?
Probably the mindset shift, moving from traditional methods to a more integrated AI approach.
That's a solid point. It's not just about using a tool, but also embracing a whole new way of thinking.
Exactly. It requires openness to change and a willingness to experiment with AI collaborations.
And a big part of that is understanding when to trust the AI and when to rely on human judgment.
Right? There's a balance to strike, which makes the conversation around AI and PM so nuanced.
Exactly, so in the end, this course seems like a promising step towards that balance.
Definitely. I think it'll be exciting to see how PMs leverage Claude Code to enhance their roles.
Absolutely, it's all about maximizing potential while navigating the challenges ahead.